Here are 43 different types of content that you can create with just one app, Podcastle. And the content that you can create gets more mind-blowing as the video goes on. You can start by sharing your voice in a solo podcast. With Podcastle, you don't even need a mic because their Magic Dust feature will turn the crappiest audio into studio sound. See? Or maybe you could step it up visually by launching a video podcast. It's so easy to record, edit, and publish video podcasts in Podcastle. And remember, video lets your audience connect with your personality in a more dynamic way. Now, maybe you want to film a diary documenting your creative journey, just like what Dochi did with her YouTube video diary of her doing the artist way. Now, if you don't want to create solo, you could easily interview fascinating guests from anywhere around the world, whether they're in your studio or across the globe. Podcastle lets you add up to 10 guests in a video. Think about the conversations you could have and the stories you could uncover. You want to start a video podcast with your bestie? Well, Podcastle lets you collaborate seamlessly with co-hosts by using the dynamic speaker tool that switches back and forth between co-hosts seamlessly. And think about how much reach you can gain by quickly creating engaging reels, TikTok videos, shorts, or attention-grabbing podcast clips from your longer videos. Podcastle makes clipping videos as easy as literally clicking a button, and they format it into whatever aspect ratio that you need for different platforms. Want to see just how fast it could be? Well then, click here. People are obsessed with short videos, but blogs on Substack are making a comeback, in which case you could always create blogs from your video transcripts, but you could even start your own faceless YouTube channel quickly and easily. Just watch this tutorial and learn how. And if that idea excites you, then imagine the types of faceless videos that you could edit. Engaging gaming let's plays, short recaps, or your take on best or worst listicle videos. And if you don't want to take the time to record your own voice for your faceless channel, clone your voice, or you could experiment with Podcastle's more than 1,000 AI voices to create audio content unlike anything your listeners have ever heard before. Check out this video to hear our favorites. Or maybe you prefer stepping into the YouTube spotlight yourself. Well, you can easily create educational explainer videos, tutorials, daily vlogs, or inspiring travel adventures. You could even share makeup routines, yoga flows, fitness journeys, or hilarious reaction videos. And imagine the fun seasonal content that you could produce featuring AI-generated voices like Santa, the Grinch, or Frankenstein. But if you do have a soothing voice, then you'd be perfect for making guided meditation videos or even recording affirmations just for yourself or for YouTube. I honestly love those guided meditation videos on YouTube. But speaking of good voices, creators also record their audiobooks in Podcastle and then list them on places like Audible or free to download for your email subscribers. But now if there are different characters in the audiobook, then use one of the 1,000 AI voices in Podcastle to really bring the story to life. But content is not necessarily made to be shared on platforms. For example, your mom's birthday is coming up again, or you don't want to gift your dad yet another pair of socks, so then use Podcastle to create a video with their favorite memories. Podcastle is also made for grandparents. Make a video with all of the sons, daughters, and grandkids all saying happy birthday and one thing that they've learned from them. Now that's priceless. And if your best friend is moving cities, then make a video with their favorite memories and funny stories. Now, it's probably no surprise, but you can actually create the best wedding gift from Podcastle. Make a video with all of the best marriage advice from friends and family, and you might as well throw in some advice from relationship therapists. Ever dreamed of editing your own short film? With Podcastle's intuitive editing features, you could produce professional quality videos right from home. Because with one-click tools like the AI Video Enhancer, movie quality footage is just one click away. Have you heard of audio courses? Well, they're perfect for people who want to learn languages and pronunciation. This is easy to create with Podcastle. Now, speaking of audio, have you ever tried making poetry videos with you reading and overlaying with B-roll that you filmed? I've seen those blow up on TikTok, and Podcastle isn't just good for you, it can actually help grow your business too. You could effortlessly turn your recorded sales calls into training resources for your team. Just think of how persuasive your pitches could become if you had a video of the most common questions and the best responses. Whether you have a course, an e-com, or service business, you could easily collect impactful video testimonials showcasing authentic customer experiences to build trust and credibility with your audience, and all with Podcastle. You can also create promo videos for new course launches with what's new and the value that people are going to get out of it, while answering their common questions too. Have an e-commerce business? Make video tutorials for each product, highlighting their features and show how easy it is to use them. Do your customers have common questions? Then make a video answering all of them. You know how effective case studies are? Well, a video case study of a client story can be even more effective at getting new clients. And those overly long webinars, I mean, you can try publishing them on YouTube, but no one's going to watch them until you edit them easily in Podcastle, so it's just the most interesting bits. And think how much time that you could save if you could train colleagues with video tutorials. No need to hop on 1,000 Zoom calls when you can just make up one video. You could also use Podcastle to create video messages for customer outreach. You could transform traditional product manuals into interactive audio or video guidelines, enhancing user experience and customer satisfaction. Finally, think of the unique brand voice that you could create using Podcastle's AI tools, whether selecting from professional AI voices or by cloning your own distinct brand personality. Are you curious about AI voice cloning? Then hit subscribe because our next video is all about the 5 best AI voice cloners. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comment section down below or contact us at support@podcastle.ai. And be sure to use the promo code linked down in the description for 50% off your first month of Podcastle Pro. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.